Hi, Roger the Real Deal Guy here, and welcome to another one of my fantastic Real Deal videos here from Holiday Resort Unity. Where are we, people? That's correct, Breen in Somerset, 15 minutes from the M5 with some of the best facilities in the southwest of England. You haven't got to take my word for it. As I say, go online, read the reviews. We've got some amazing facilities. If you want to play golf, go fishing, we've got the lake, we've got the amazing pool with all the outside and inside facilities, we've got the theme park, we've got entertainment, we've got bars, we've got food. Do you know what? We've got everything. You know, it really does tick all sorts of boxes. And as I've said on many occasions, holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995 to get your own little piece of heaven, your own little getaway where you can come and enjoy throughout the season, which runs from February through till November. I mean, how much more do you need than that? So today, people, what are we looking at? I hear you ask. Well, real dealers out there, we're looking at this magnificent holiday home behind me. It's a Regal Ambassador, 36 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model, beautifully pre-owned, 2014. But look just from the outside, look at the amount of light that will be flooding in through them windows. You know what I'm like with light? I love light. I think it makes it feel so more homely and comfortable, and it's just great. So should we go in and have a little look? So come on, into the holiday home, straight into the hallway. As we come on down, look at this. Look at the light that streams in through the massive front windows. They looked impressive from the outside. They're even better on the inside. But we've got windows galore in here, which lets in so much natural light. It really does feel light, spacious and airy. Look at the feature. Ideal for storage. Good place for the TV. Then look at the couches. You've got like one of these love couches, the snug couch, and then the wraparound. I mean, it's a great working of space into the dining and in the kitchen, because it's so open plan. It's such a social space. You're able to interact with everybody, you know, and really enjoy yourself. So you're coming on through. Great amounts of storage, oven, and look, breakfast bar. A little bit more storage. I know, it's great. Really does think. Great prep space. Integrated microwave. Then obviously you've got your integrated fridge freezer. You know, starting to think. It's ticking some boxes. It really is a great start to this holiday home. Now, as we come on down, back down the hallway, first door on the left is the twin. And again, look at that. Great size. Light streams in again through the window. From 2 good sized singles. But again, they are freestanding, which we know, and with the bedside being able to be moved, you can probably make this a bit more versatile. And if you want to put a small double or something in there instead, you can do. It's even got a great size wardrobe in here. You know, great use of space, well thought out, well designed. Right, carrying on down. Next door on the left is your master. And again, massive window, so much light. Little dressing table area. Above bed storage, king size bed, bed size either side, and wardrobes either side, again with drawers. Really thought about how they're going to use the space, made it really well designed. And then of course the added ensuite WC and sink. You know, great addition, really well laid out, fabulous. And then to the door on the end, which of course is the main bathroom. And again, WC, storage again with your sink, and then obviously the good size shower. Do you know what? It really is a lovely holiday home. Getting a great vibe about it. Carrying on back down the hallway and back into the main hub of this holiday home. I mean, it's lovely, isn't it? Imagine sitting there on your pitch, looking out, just enjoying life. So, this is the magnificent Regal Ambassador, 36 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model, beautifully pre-owned, been well looked after. As you walk in, you've got the lovely hallway, so you're not going straight into like your living area or anything, down into your open plan living, dining, kitchen area with the massive windows behind it that lets the natural light flood in. It's fabulous. The great size twin, the lovely master with the ensuite WC and great amounts of storage throughout, and the lovely main bathroom. This really is a spectacular holiday home. Now, as I said, holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995. Get your own little piece of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity in Breen, 15 minutes from the M5. I know you're sick of me saying it, but I just want you guys to know we're literally 15 minutes from the M5, beaches across the road, some of the best facilities in the southwest. So you know what you've got to do now? You've got to pick up the phone and give me a call, 07493 098 497. Say, Roger, help me with holiday home ownership. I'm really interested and I want to know what we do next. And I will talk you through the whole process. Drop me a text. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Ask me your questions and I will happily assist. And don't forget, this face is all over YouTube. Roger the Real Deal Guy. Have a look at my channel. On there is an abundance of different holiday homes. So you really can see all your different options of what ownership is like here at Holiday Resort Unity. It's as simple as that. Now, sun's shining. It's going to be a fabulous day. So please, people, don't forget this. It's not a deal. Of course, it's a real deal. And you know I'll see you soon.